Good morning, students of class 8. Welcome to your computer class. In this part of the video, we are starting a new topic, that is spreadsheet functions and charts. Microsoft Office Excel is a very powerful application for spreadsheet management. In the previous video, I had taught you some basic feature, components and formulas related to MS Excel. In this video, we will discuss about functions and charts in MS Excel in detail. Function is a built-in formula that you can use to perform a calculation on the data in your worksheet. Functions are ready-made formulas that perform a series of operations on a specified range of values. Excel offers that you can use mathematical calculations on your worksheet data. Some basic functions are average, count, max and sum. Now let's discuss about the structure of function. Function in Excel always begin with equal to sign followed by the function name. Function name is followed by opening parenthesis, then argument separated by commas and closing parenthesis. In the given picture, sum is your function name and A1 to A20 are your arguments. Let's have a look for the difference between formula and a function. A formula is a statement written by the user to be calculated. Formula can be as simple or as complex as the user wants. A formula can contain values or reference to cells. All the formulas must start by putting an equal to sign, whereas a function is a piece of code designed to calculate specific values and is used inside formulas. Functions used to add values or to calculate the current time are built into Excel. Excel to sign, use equal to sign to begin your function. Charts are pictorial representation of data. They help us to make instant decision based on the comparison of number. They help you to analyze and evaluate the worksheet conveniently. Elements of charts are: first, data series. Data series is a content of a group of related cells such as one row or a column of data in your worksheet. Data objects. Charts are made up of variety of elements called objects, and customized chart, we can say that you can customize your chart in MS Excel. You can make changes in the formatting of chart, text change and chart type and do much more. Charts are much easier to understand. They help you to analyze data and present information in attractive manner as compared to simple data. Here we have some types of chart. First is the column chart. Column chart displays the data in the form of vertical bars which changes over a period of time and compares various items. Bar chart can be represented in a tabular format as well as in the pattern of columns. It shows the data changes over a period of time and comparison with some specific or individual items. Next we have line chart. Line chart can display continuous data over the period of time, set against a common scale and ideal for showing trends in data at equal intervals. Area chart displays the magnitude of change over time. Pie chart help you to display the contribution of each value to a total value. Next we have donut chart. It consists more than one data series. In this chart, each ring represents one data series. It shows a relationship of part or to a whole. 3D surface chart shows the three-dimension view of data. Let's take a look for the components of chart. X-axis is a horizontal axis of chart, whereas Y-axis is a vertical axis of a chart. Data series is a group of data from which a chart is derived. Chart area is the area where the chart components are enclosed. Plot area are the area where the actual chart is plotted. Grid lines are the horizontal and the vertical lines on the plot area which are inserted in the chart to enhance its readability. Legend is to the right of the plot area and it identifies each data series. Thank you.